Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. I want to take a second to talk a little bit more about parenting coordinators. I've mentioned it before in another video. Parenting coordinators, as I've described, are those individuals who come in and assist or coordinate the parents in parenting. They try and fix quick issues, sometimes we might even say simple issues that the parents are having, and we need to act fast, whereas litigating those issues wouldn't make a ton of sense. Should little Timmy have braces put on? Well, we probably want to make that decision fairly quickly rather than filing a motion with the court, going through a scheduling order, having status conferences, so on and so forth. Parenting coordinator can meet and try and resolve those issues. Should we use a parenting application? Parenting coordinator can assist with those. So those little issues that need quick resolution, sort of a mediator on call for parents as they work their way through their custody plan. Now, one of the questions that I have recently been asked was whether or not a parenting coordinator is an attorney. Almost always an attorney. Almost always is going to be an attorney, and an attorney who has experience in family law and domestic relations, custody disputes. So most of your parenting coordinators are going to be attorneys. However, it is not a requirement that a parenting coordinator be an attorney. If the person is not an attorney, frequently you're going to find someone who's like a mental health expert, a counselor, therapist who works with families, right? And there are some additional restrictions that would fall on someone who isn't an attorney. Can't practice law, can't give legal advice. Not that a parenting coordinator can do that anyway, but there's just some additional restrictions. But to answer the question, most of the time, the vast majority of the time, parenting coordinators are going to be other attorneys who practice in the area of domestic relations, custody, divorce, things of that nature. For more information, visit our website, www.pdtulsalaw.com.
The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.